First thing you're going to do is plug this main module into an outlet. Make sure you follow directions in the app for positioning this within your garage. Then we can connect the sensor for the garage door to the module by pressing the button on top of the sensor. But the app, it tells you exactly where to put the MyQ connector. Yes, this is the sensor for the opener. This is connected to the main part that's actually plugged into a wall outlet. There's some Velcro strips on the back here. You just need to peel off the tape and then stick it on to the top of the garage door up here. The app is really easy to follow, and I was having problems connecting the device to my phone, but the device was doing an update, and this wouldn't connect because of it. So make sure to clean this little patch up here just so that this sticks well. Place it right there. Important to make sure that you've got the top facing up and not down. Not sure what it's going to do for you if you do the opposite way. Now it's just like pairing a new remote, and I have this wall unit here, so I'm just going to press the alarm button till that light flashes, and the app says it's going to connect it for me, hopefully. So I've been really impressed with the smart garage control and how it integrated with my liftmaster garage door. So if you did like this video and want to check out some of my other content, make sure you watch this video here.